integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r satisfying a is equal to bq plus r, where r is less than b and this is the condition. So this theorem is known as the Euclid's division lemma. Euclid's division lemma. We will use this lemma for the Euclid's division algorithm. So here you can take a and b here. In this case, suppose 10 and 3. 10 and 3 is there. Then 10 is equal to, here 10 is equal to 3 into 3 plus 1. Here it is a, here it is b, here it is q, and here it is r. A is 10, b is 3, q is 3, and r is 1. Likewise, you can see in other example also, you can find out. Herein you can see that the remainder is r, that is 1. It is less than b and greater than 0. So this is a Euclid's division lemma. Next page. This is page number 4. Now see the box. Here in box it is written, an algorithm is a series of well-defined steps which gives a procedure for solving a type of problem. So you have to remember such type of definitions. What is the algorithm? What is the lemma? Okay, so go through. The word algorithm comes from the name of the 9th century Persian mathematician Al-Khwarizmi. In fact, even the word algebra is derived from a book he wrote called Hisab al-Jabr wal Muqabla. Okay, so now what is the lemma? A lemma is a proven statement used for proving another statement. This is a statement. We will use this statement for proving the other statement. That's why this theorem is known as the Euclid's division lemma. Now we will use this lemma to prove the Euclid's division algorithm. Euclid's division algorithm is a technique to compute the highest common factor HCF of two given positive integers. Recall the HCF of two positive integers a and b is the largest positive integer d, which divides both a and b. Let us see how the algorithm works. Though an example first, suppose we need to find the HCF of integers 4, 5, 5 and 42. We start with the larger integers, that is 4, 5, 5. Then we use Euclid's lemma to get 4, 5, 5. Here it is 4, 5, 5, and second one is 42.